Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Do you know that you can now generate a whole article with just one click for your blog posts? Yes, you heard that right. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can harness the power of a revolutionary new AI tool. If we take a moment to look back, writing an article and posting it used to be quite a time-consuming process. It demanded a lot of your precious time, effort, and of course, the skill of writing. But guess what? In the world of AI, we can now transform this time-consuming process with just one remarkable solution. And here's the best part. You don't need to be a writing expert anymore to create high-quality content. So whether you're a seasoned blogger or just starting out, this video is going to change the game for you. All right, let's jump right in and discover how this AI tool can revolutionize your content creation process. Stay tuned. First of all, open Seowriting.AI and sign in with a free account to try this tool. So this is the dashboard of this tool. As we can see, there are so many tools available here. The first one is one-click blog post. In this tool, we can generate whole article and titles with just one click. And the next one is bulk article generation. Using this tool, we can generate up to 100 articles and post it directly to our WordPress. And trust me, guys, this is the amazing feature of this tool. Now, the other tool is blog post, product roundups, product list, workflow, how-to guide, and simple editor. In this video, I am going to show you how to use Generate an Article with One-Click Blog Post feature. All right, now let's go step by step. First of all, here you have to enter your topic. So for example, here I'm going to write tips for healthy eating in a busy schedule. It's just for example, you can do proper research about a topic and then generate your article. So guys, when we click on generate, it will automatically generate a title for us. Essential tips for healthy eating in a busy schedule. It's perfect, right? Now let's move to the next section's core settings. Here, first of all, you have to choose language for your article. There are so many languages available, so you can easily post articles in any language without having experience of those languages. Now choose article size. There are 4 options there. If we choose a medium, it will generate between 24,000 to 3,600 words. Then if we select large, it will generate between 3,600 to 5,200 words. Then after choose tone of voice, like friendly, professional, transactional, inspirational, neutral, etc. So I will go with the informational. After select point of view, this is the amazing part of this tool. I think we never seen this type of option in other software. So here you can write your article in first person, second person, or in third person, or you can go with none of this option. All right, now you have to select the target country. Now this is the best part of this media hub. It is for image generation. If you want to add images in your article, so choose yes from here. Then choose how many images you want to include in it. After that, choose the image style. There, so many options are there: photo, cartoon, cubism, cyberpunk, and cinematic. So for my article, I'll go with cinematic. Then choose image ratio. Or you can also include the main keyword in the first image as AI text. Or you can also add YouTube video if you want. But now I am going to skip this. Then the next section is SEO. Here we have to add text, which is relevant for our article. Or if you don't know what type of tags you have to add, click on keyword generation and it will automatically generate relevant keywords for you. Then the next part is structure. In this, the first one is a conclusion, so choose yes if you want to add a conclusion in your article. Then the next one is tables, H3, that means heading. Then after lists, italics, QTAs, key takeaways, and FAQ means frequently asked questions. So here I am going to choose yes with questions and answer also. This is the new feature of this tool, Connect to the Web. Now here you can connect to the web and let AI write the article for you. You can also select Source Article by mentioning the links and let this tool do the work for you. After this, select where you want to save your document. Then, if you want to directly publish article to your site, for this choose Yes and connect your WordPress link with this tool. And the last step is to select the language model. They used all of this GPT 3.5, GPT 3.5, Turbo 16K, and GPT-4 to get the best results. Or you can even connect to the Open API key. All right, now let's go back to the top and click on Run. It will take a couple of minutes to generate, so it's ready. Now let's have a look at it. And as we can see, this article is about 2,751 words. If we check it's the subscription plan of this tool, we can generate 5 article art and get 5,000 words to use. After this, you can go with the Pro plan, which is about $19, in which we can generate 50 articles and get 1,000 words to use. And if you want more, you can go with this plan. It's about $38 per month, and in this, we can generate 250 article and get 500,000 to use. And if you choose Pro plan, you can use all of this feature like YouTube embedding, connect to web, and also you generate top quality images. If you want to purchase this, you can check link in the description box. All right, now let's go back to the article page. This is our meta title and meta description. And as we can see how perfectly this tool write our article with heading, points, key takeaways, and with related images. As we move ahead, we can see how perfectly it will arrange all the points and also prepare a meal plan table. Seriously, it's amazing. And in last, this tool also write a conclusion and FAQ. All right. Now, if you want to edit something in this, click on Edit option and change the things which you don't like. For example, if you don't like one of this image, click Right and choose Cut. Then from here, upload your own image and add it in your article. By this way, you can make some changes in your article according to your choice. And then when you are done with it, you directly publish the article by connecting your WordPress link, or you can copy this from here and paste it in your site. So guys, this how one-click blog post work. I hoped you enjoyed this video, and if you want more SEO writing tool tutorial, type more videos in the comment box, and I will make more videos about this tool. Thanks you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye-bye, see you in the next video.